Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Code Freely. So in our last tutorial we learned the lambda function with a single variable, and let's see how can we use multiple variables in lambda function. So we use add and we use keyword lambda and x, y, z are our three variables, and we add all three of them. So if we print our lambda function and we simply add 30, 40 and 20, then we get 90. So like this we can use multiple variables in lambda functions. So take another example. Calculate ABC, and for example we multiply A with B and we multiply 2 with C and subtract A, and then we divide the B by C. So if we print this lambda function, name calculate, and insert the values of these argument. So if we take A as 60 and B as 20, here we write B and here we write C, A, B, C, and we write C as 5. So let's run this. So in this multivariable lambda function we use three variables. So this A was 60 and B was 20, so this was multiplied and we got 1200, and then we multiplied 2 with this 5 and we got 10, and then we minus this value 60 and we divide this B, which is 20, by 5. So we got 4 here. So we got the answer 1154. So like this we use multiple variables in lambda function, and lambda function is an anonymous function. And why we use the lambda functions, the power of the lambda function is better shown when you use them as an anonymous function inside another function. So you have a function definition that takes one argument, and that argument will be multiplied with an unknown number. So here we have a function, and inside this function we use the lambda function, and we take another example of this anonymous function, so that we know how we use lambda function inside user defined function. So let's take this example here. We erase all this, and we use this lambda function, this user defined function, which is my function, and inside this my function we use this lambda function with argument a. So this lambda function is using inside this user defined function, and if we call this function my doubler with any number like 4, here a is a 4, so this 4 will be doubled. So we have got double number of argument a. So like this we can use our function to any multiply, like if we want to use triple, or we get 3 times of any number here, so we get multiply a with the number 3. So what we get 12, because here n was 3, and here we use lambda function. Which calculate this 3 multiplied by this 4, which is 12. So like this we get the result, which is 12. So this is the use of lambda function, and in our next tutorial we will learn a new thing in Python. So keep watching my YouTube channel Code Freely, and subscribe if you like, and comments in the comment section.